Hey, what's going on? I am here with my buddy Landon. Say hi, Landon.
Hi.
And we are doing our on this channel. This will be our first build battle video, and we will be competing building computers. And we will be judged by detail and everything else. And we can get extra points for interior. But okay, Landon, you go to that side. I already have, well, we only have 30 minutes to build our computers. I even have the timer already ready on my phone. Let me just get it started. Okay, and we begin in 3, 2, 1, build.
I'm already stressed out.
You're already what?
Stressed out.
Yeah, me too. Join the club. Okay, so I'm thinking a spacebar, maybe 2 buttons on, wait, no, 3. Let's do 3 little buttons on each side. And then here, this will be the actual computer.
Yeah, I'm just trying to build fast.
And then we'll go up so I have room for interior.
Interior, how am I gonna do this?
I'm still not sure. I'm just going with what I got. I'm just going. I'll probably run into a million problems down the road. But for now, I'm just like, gotta build.
Yeah.
And then we'll go,
I have the perfect plan.
1, 2, 3.
Will this work though? Probably not.
Okay, so that'll be like the inside of my. So they're okay. Yeah. It's even. Wait, if I make. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna make this one taller. For these ones, it doesn't matter, but for here, now I can go like that. Still have the button, but also have the inside look nice. Alrighty.
Yeah, I just realized for interior I need to go one up.
Alright, I will check back it. So this is probably gonna be a slow process. I'll get back to you guys when I finish my keyboard. Yep. Oh, hi again. Hi guys. I did finish my keyboard and I am making the actual laptop part, which is going to be Minecraft. So we're in Minecraft, figured why not be playing Minecraft. But I need to find out how to make a character and this is taking too long. I'm thinking about using an armor stand. Let me see how that looks. If I get armor stand and then like leather armor for him. I won't need that anymore. Armor stand. I need you to look like you're walking forward. Come on. Come on. You're not going to do that? Here. Maybe I can make it kind of look like you're, you know, first day survival stuff. Ooh, wait, I saw a good one. I just passed it on accident. Look at that. Yeah, you know, he's grabbing some wood. Yeah.
Oh no, I think I'm in trouble.
Why?
By the sound of what you're doing.
You might be. Oh, wait, no, I need to break all this out so I can make the sky. Dang it, this is going. I have a setback.
me, bad for you.
Yep. Okay, I only need it to be visible. I did not think this completely through. But I'm almost through this. Okay. And now I need to build the sky. I'm just gonna... Okay, sky, so... Alright, so far so good.
With the materials I'm using, it's kind of hard to build during nighttime.
Really? I'm so curious.
I'm using darker materials.
Okay, let's take a look-see. Oh, mwah! That is beautiful. Now I just need to actually repair the back. I'm thinking right here. Fill that part in, and we don't need it to come all the way up to the back, so kind of like that. This computer is... Hey! He's peeking!
You can peek at mine.
Fine, I'm taking a look. I am taking a look. Oh, not bad. Okay, no more peeking. No more.
Okay, I'm scared. Yours looks so good.
Yes, it does. And you need to step it up a notch, because we only have 17 more minutes.
Oh, that's kind of a lot.
We haven't even used up half our time. We probably should have made this harder for ourselves.
I'm not doing interior. I don't have the time. You know what I'm gonna do with the person playing the game too? But I'm not doing the same thing you are. I'm doing Rocket League.
If you guys don't know what that game is, it's a very fun game where you're a car and you hit a soccer ball around. Sounds boring, but it's amazing. There's many different modes. We like Heat Seeker. The ball goes really fast and just immediately toward the other one's goal. It's soccer with cars, okay? So what's not to like about it? Alright, let's... Ooh! My computer around looks more like a toilet. But you know, we got I think the Minecraft picture itself is really gonna help me. Now I need to make some flooring in here. Okay. Alright. And soon we will be doing a build battle with me, Landon, and Lily. We will be doing, we're not really sure yet, but I'm thinking we'll do any kind of like game console or electronic, so phone, Xbox. We're gonna have a wider variety in that one, and that'll be coming like tomorrow probably. So look out for that. And remember, if you want more build battles, don't forget to like, blah blah blah. Yeah. Okay, we need a door. Dark oak door. Or I could do a piston door. No. Not enough time. What?
How about the people vote on whose is better?
I would love to, but we don't really have comments.
True.
But I mean, you guys just think who you think did better, it's probably gonna be me. I know that for a fact.
Harsh. But true.
Trust me, Landon, you don't stage much. You're not a huge threat to me. Dang it. Okay, I know what I'll do. I will... step back! No! And now I'm gonna have to change the outside a little bit too. Dang it. Why is interior so hard? And we only have like 14 minutes left.
Hey, you're lucky. I have to redo my piece.
Ouch! Nope. The wandering trader tried to distract me. Not today. Yeah, this kind of looks like a toilet. You know, just sitting up here, do. But it's a laptop. I'm just not very good under pressure.
Story of my life.
Indeed. Ooh, maybe I'll put up some lights in here. Ooh, shroom lights. Like on there and there and there. There we go. Got some lighting inside of my laptop. Up here, we're going to, see, we need beds. Beds. You know, up here's going to be all my chests. Chest. Here, we're going to have chest. Uh-oh. Nope. We'll do shulker boxes. Orange shulker boxes. Orange is my favorite color.
Oh, I just found a setback.
Alright, so we got some storage. Down here, we'll make our bed over here. Is it still raining outside? Yes, it is. Wow. How much longer do we have? Let me check. 11 minutes.
Not bad.
Oh, wow. I have so many ideas that it might... Okay, I'm just gonna have to do what I can. Let's make a nice little surround. Oh, wait, I can't. Oh, it's night. Wow, I did not know it was daytime. Here. Let's make a little side desk. Like a boom, a boom. Yeah. Now I'm really excited to do the one tomorrow. See? Look at that. Here, no. I have a better idea. Alright, and then I'll have a little table here. And on that I will have decoration. What decoration to have?
Okay, I might have time for interior, depending on what this looks like.
I'll put down a creeper sword and a creeper head with a diamond sword. I think that could look good, right? Like, kind of like boom. Yeah, not bad. You know, I wake up, I'm like, no, the sword isn't really great. So we have the head, and what else should we have? Oh my gosh. I'm usually great at decorating. We'll have, you know, let's just have a little lamp.
You're very good at building.
You know, just put like a little lamp here, skull.
I'm more build rather than decorate.
Yeah.
Or I just go.
Oh, 9 minutes left. 8 actually. 8 minutes. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm stressing.
So stressed. Okay, I do have a nice kitchen idea. I just need to do this fast. Also, this is a very good kitchen thing, so you might want to use it if you're wanting to show off.
Doing interior, that means.
Wait, oh no, I missed a step. Actually, you know what? I don't have time for that step. Oh wait, sorry about that. My call with Landon ended. I'm calling him back now. Pretty nice. Now we just gotta put barrels. And then this looks a lot like kitchen tile. Nice, a kitchen. So what else do I need? What else will I need? Oh, what else? Maybe I could, a pet? Yeah, maybe I need a pet. What pet? I don't need a pet. Oh my gosh, why is this? Ooh, yes, enchantment. Oh wait, no, I can't do that. Maybe, okay, I'm gonna try calling Landon back again. Here, is he still in the world? Landon, hello? Is he in the world still? Yeah, he's in the world. Okay. Yeah, he's not answering the call. Okay. We have 5 more minutes. Hey, get out of my house. Finish, buddy. You gotta hurry. Let's see. Is he gonna be able to finish? Hmm. Did you guys see his Rocket League? Oh my god. It's adorable. Okay, what else do I need? Maybe some paintings, yeah. You know, like yeah, that there, and then maybe we can get a where's the creeper one? There we go. And then maybe like ooh yeah, what if I can get that? Ooh, nice. Okay, okay. Oh my gosh, this is stressful. So stressful. Ooh, wait, that's not a... Oh, I have a good idea. I have an idea. No, let's go spruce. If I put these all around my bed, yo, that looks so cool. Okay, he's asking if I'm done. Yes. If you need to finish, you have 3 mins. And send it. I thought maybe if I had time I would do like, you know, a mouse alongside with this, but I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. And I only have 3 minutes. Are you done? Okay, meet in front of wall. All right, so we finished. We really didn't need all the time. We had 2 minutes left, so pretty much used all of it almost. Come to mine. Come on. He grab wood. Yeah, yeah. See, he's kind of like gotta grab that, you know. It wasn't really a punching one, so I. Nick, what does that mean? Okay, to the interior. All right, so over here, bed. Oh, there we go. Storage. Over here. Kitchen. Enchanting. Now we go to yours. All right, guys, let's see how it ended. Do you guys see this kid's Rocket League? Here, I'm gonna tell him how I feel. Is that Rocket League? There's no way. There's gotta. No, I'm gonna just face plant Yo, you want to see the face plant? Whee! Bop. That's how bad okay, Landon, it's not great. Are you? He's trying to beat me up. Okay. Okay, let me ask. Interior. This kid don't got an entrance. Yeah, I think I won. Interior? Nope. Yeah, I think I won. Did he say nope to me? Oh no. Wait, come. Oh. Bruh. This does not help you. That make you lose point. Murder! 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 Yeah, I won. Alright guys, I won the build battle. You know what? I'm gonna go outside and do some victories. I'm gonna do some victory dancing on my laptop. I'm gonna come up all the way up here, and you know what I'm gonna do? This is what I'm gonna do. And then like, oh, clap for Landon, but he didn't do that good. And then more dancing. Alright, that is the end of this video. Please make sure to like if you want more, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.